Number 2, find the perfect squares and square roots. Should be done without a calculator. Here we go. Square root of 81 is 9. 4 times 4 gets us back to 16. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 225 is 15. 3 times 3 gets us back to 9. Square root of 169 is 13. 14 times 14 is 196. Remember, the key is to just switch the 6 and 9 with 13 and 14. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 36 is 6. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 144 is 12. Square root of 121 is 11. Square root of 100 is 10. 8 times 8 gets us back to 64. And the square root of 49 is 7. Over and out.